Hey everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video. If your NAB card or NAB Play option is not showing inside the app, this is usually a sync or activation issue. First, head over to your app store, search for the app, and make sure that your app is updated to the latest version. Older versions may not display card features correctly. Then, log out of the app completely and swipe up from the bottom of your screen. Look for the apps, completely close it, wait for a few seconds, then reopen, and then log back in. After logging in, this refreshes your account data. Then check that your card is active. If the card is new, it may still be pending activation, so you can activate it through the app or by following the instructions set by NAB. If the card still does not appear, long press on the app icon and then uninstall your app. Then go to the app store and reinstall it. After logging in again, allow all the permissions where prompted. If the issue continues, contact NAB support as the card may need manual linking on their system, and that's it. Subscribe for more quick fixes.